Hey guys, I got it. I got something that you can do on your own for gun control. How to fight it. I want you to get hold of all these organizations that you've been sending money to. The GOA, the NRA, anything that has to do with firearm rights. Get hold of one of the lawyers. Ask them, what the hell are they doing that they don't know the law? Ask them, how comes they don't know? Why don't the lawyers themselves know that the Congress has never had the authority to pass any firearm laws? Ask them that. Or ask them where does Congress get the authority under the Constitution to pass firearm laws? That's the better thing. Where do they get the power under the Constitution to pass firearm laws? It's simple. Now, I just got done talking to Single Shot. He's on YouTube and some other places. But we were talking, and he said, he's doing his best to get hold of people in charge and let them know about this blog right here. And they go, well, we didn't know this. We didn't know that the government didn't have authority. Why don't they? They're supposed to be lawyers. Now, somebody somewhere is lying to you and getting money. They're getting revenue. That's a bad thing. If gun control dies, well, then they're out of a job, right? Think about that. Ask these people a simple question. Where does Congress get the authority to pass any kind of firearm laws? It's a simple question. And nobody is giving you the answer. Some dumbass will say, oh, they're getting it from the necessary and proper clause. No, they're not. The only authority they have is what is written down in the enumerated powers. And firearm laws is not one of them. I guarantee you. Ask that simple question. It's a simple question. Ask them. I'll put a link in for this, and I'll put a link in for this. This is your preamble to your Bill of Rights. Ask these people where Congress gets the power to pass any firearm laws. They can't do it under the Commerce Clause, because if you look in the Federalist Papers, they were only given the power over the commerce to regulate it, to make it regular, to stop all these taxes and tariffs that these different states were adding on to the goods as they passed through their states. That's the only reason they got that power. You want real freedom? You want to call yourself a free man? Ask these damn questions. Get some answers. We're being lied to. I mean, since the late 20s, early 30s, they've been passing firearm laws like it was something new, and they give themselves more control over you, the free man. Now don't go walking around town and say, "Hey man, I'm free." I'll knock you on your butt. You're not free. You're not free when somebody's got control over you, over every damn thing that you do anymore. They got control over the banks. They got control over your firearms. They make you jump through hoops. Oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. You don't. It's not in the Constitution. I told you before, these people, when they went to law school, they didn't study the Constitution. They only studied what other judges said about the Constitution, making that judge the law and not the Constitution itself. Period. These are not constitutional laws that they have on the books. They are political laws. So ask that simple question. Where does Congress get the power to pass firearm laws? Ask your gun rights people Ask your congressman, and I'll tell you what, they're going to be jumping around, lying through their teeth. They should have went for the jugular vein a long time ago, and they're not. They're going one little bit at a time, one little bit. Oh yeah, but we're doing a good job, send us more money. Bullshit. You don't win a war by smacking them on the butt or smacking them on the hand with a ruler. You don't get them in line that way. You've got to go for the jugular. These people are lying through their teeth and they're not doing anything that's lawful. And it's time you put a stop to it. Nobody wants to have to stand up and fight like this. But we've got to. You've got to do this every single day of your life if you want to live free. Our founding fathers knew that. That's why they give you those rights. Fight for them. Like I said, get a hold of these people, ask that simple question. Where in the hell does Congress get the authority under the Constitution to pass one single firearm law? Thanks for watching.